Did you know you could be earning money back on groceries you already buy every single week? With prices continuing to rise, smart shoppers are learning how to stretch their dollars, maximize rewards, and turn everyday spending into financial advantages. Today, we're talking about top 5 grocery stores that help you earn cash back and why it matters. Let's get into it. Why cash back matters. Most people spend hundreds, sometimes thousands, of dollars every month on groceries and household essentials. But many people miss opportunities to earn rewards, save on gas, get cash back, receive discounts and digital coupons. Small savings consistently applied can create big financial impact over time. Financial literacy is not only about making more money, it's also about managing the money you already spend wisely. Top 5 stores. 1. Costco. Costco is popular for bulk savings, cashback rewards, gas discounts, perfect for large families and business owners buying in volume. 2. Sam's Club. Sam's Club offers member rewards, cashback MasterCard benefits, savings on household products, another strong option for maximizing everyday spending. 3. Kroger. Kroger helps shoppers save through fuel points, digital coupons, reward programs. Those gas savings can really add up over time. 4. Walmart. Walmart remains popular because of everyday low pricing, cashback app compatibility, convenient shopping options. Many people combine Walmart with cashback apps for extra savings. 5. Target. Target shoppers love Red Card savings, 5% discounts. Additional app rewards, great for combining deals with loyalty programs. The key takeaway is this: smart consumers don't just spend money, they make their money work smarter. Using cashback rewards, store programs, and discounts strategically can help reduce expenses and improve financial flexibility over time. If this video helped you, comment your favorite store rewards program, subscribe for more financial literacy and wealth building tips, and remember, small savings today can create big impact tomorrow.